Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. As you,
Good morning, ma'am.
very good morning to all of you. As you all know that we have completed the chapter number 7, jugs and mugs. It's related with the capacity, liters and milliliters. So you have learned conversion of liters and milliliters. You have learned addition, subtraction, and multiplication in liters and milliliters. So your today's CET is based on the concept which you have already covered in the classes. As you all know, today we are going to take the CET also, right? You solve the sums in your notebook. Don't send me the notebook work. But when you click the answer in the Google form, you should be confident that your answer is right. So please solve it in the notebook, maths notebook, no any rough notebook, either maths notebook or the revision notebook. Okay, don't use any rough notebook, either revision notebook or maths classwork notebook. Out of these two notebook, you can use any notebook for the calculations. Do the calculation in the notebook and then click the answer in the Google form. Am I clear to you all? You all are clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Our meantime, I will ask the orals also based on conversion, making the story problems. Okay. So first, I will put the link. Jignesh, I'll give you a chance when I will take the round of the orals.
Okay, ma'am.
So first, I will put the link of your today's CET in the classroom as well as in the chat box. And please, after submitting the Google form, please do it mark as done. Otherwise, it will show your missing work. Google form is pasted in the classroom. Please go to the classroom, refresh your classroom, as well as I am pasting the link here in the chat box also. It's pasted in the chat box. Please go from the chat box or go from the classroom. And let me know, are you able to open the Google form or not? Yes. Everyone is able to
Yes,
log
ma'am.
into the Google form. And I request, if you don't have such problem of turning on your cameras, so please turn on your camera. If you don't have such problem that when you go to Google form and your camera automatically gets off, if you don't have this problem, so please, yes, Harsh Keshwani,
What we are doing,
3 minutes late. And whenever the students are joining late, they have the common problem and network issue. Why you face the network? Because you are starting your class joining late. आप लेट ज्वाइन करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, मार्जिन 11 o'clock पे ज्वाइन करते हैं, then automatically you will face the network issue. Got it, Harsh Keshwani? I have posted the CET link in the classroom as well as I am pasting here in the chat box. Please go to the Google form and give your CET. Students, again, I request, if you don't have such problem of switching off your camera, turn off your camera. When you go to Google form, please turn on your camera and sit in the class. Arab Apani, you have joined 4 minutes late. Now you will ask, ma'am, what are we doing? Yes or no, bacha? Next time, join on time. We have a CET today. CET link is already pasted in the Google form. In the classroom. As well as I'm giving you here in the chat box also. Please go to the link. Along with that, I'm going to take your orals also. Conversion also, addition, subtraction. I will give you the situation. On that situation, you will need to make the word problems. Be ready. Okay. First child is Hare. Hare, give
Yes,
me
ma'am.
word problem based on multiplication of liters and milliliters.
What?
Give me word problem or story problem based on multiplication operation.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Raju take 5 liter milk and 5 liter 25 ml milk,
Hmm.
and he gave 4 liter and 10 ml
But a
to his.
gave word is coming. How it can be the multiplication, बच्चा? जब आप किसी को कुछ में से दे रहे हैं निकाल के, you are extracting something, you are taking out something, then how it can be the multiplication? Multiplication will only apply when you have for one, you need to find out for many.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
The
at
C.
last I can say.
Two mics are on together, which will be difficult for me. Are mute your mic. Mute your
At
mic.
last,
Ma'am, in the question C,
Hmm.
the capacity of tablespoon is measured in.
Yeah, wait. I will tell you.
Tablespoon.
Here, don't get confused. Let me present my screen and show you. Yeah. Sorry. Let me present my screen. And I want to make you clear with this question. My screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number C. The capacity of a tablespoon is measured in. Children, tablespoon, you all know, there are two different types of spoon, teaspoon and a tablespoon. Teaspoon thoda chota hota hai and tablespoon bigger than this. Now, you have to think, because in the tablespoon, we can put the solid things also and liquid things also. Sometimes mama take the sugar also in that, sometimes take any powder also in that. But you have to think whether it is measured in the grams or the liter, milliliter. Which concept we have learned, you need to relate it with that concept. हमने क्या पढ़ा है? Here we are connecting with concept. That according to that you need to click the answer. Clear, Kritika? Okay. दोनों में होता है, but हमने क्या पढ़ा है अभी? You need to click according to that. Sorry. So D question is, you need to add. There are three different quantities or capacities are given. 23 liter, 8 milliliter, 47 liter, 56 milliliter, 8 liter, and 795 milliliter. Reena purchased 5 liter 250 milliliter of milk. Children, please note here, there is one question which is of 2 marks. Total are 10 questions, but marks are 11. How? Because this question which I am reading it now, E question, is of 2 marks because it's a word problem. Reena purchased 5 liter 250 milliliter of milk. She used 3 liter 750 milliliter during the day. What quantity of milk is she left with? उसके पास कितना बचा? 50 liter 250 milliliter minus 18 liter 500 milliliter. D. A jug of capacity 2 liters can be half filled by pouring 5 full mugs of water into it. How much water does the mug hold? मग की कितनी कैपेसिटी है? बिकॉज 2 लीटर्स से फिल हो रहा है वो. सो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट what is the capacity of the mug. Means if you put the 5, see, half of 2 liter is 1 liter. Got it? Half of 2 liter is 1 liter, and 1 liter is how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters को कि हाफ फिल कर रहे हैं और 5 टाइम्स वो मग डाल रहे हैं, तो मग की कैपेसिटी कितनी हुई? Suppose the bottle capacity is 100 ml. Oh, sorry. Suppose the capacity of bottle is 1 liter, and I am filling it with the another bottle, which I don't know what is the capacity of that bottle, but I am filling half, and I am filling it 5 times. So what is the capacity of that small bottle? This way you need to find out the answer for that one, G1. 350 ml plus dash ml is plus 200 ml equals to 1 liter. I, the capacity of petrol tank in a car is this. It contains this of petrol. How much more petrol can take in? और कितना हम डाल सकते हैं? Rima drink 2 liter and 175 milliliter water every day. How much you drink in 4 days? So please, I think you will not face any difficulty for solving this. I hope you all are clear now.
Ma'am, can you explain me
G1. Which child is asking this?
Dhwani Patel.
Dhwani, I will repeat again. Suppose the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter. I want to fill this bottle with the another small bottle. हमने measuring bottle से पढ़ा था ना? Right? If I want to fill this 1 liter bottle with the another small bottle, जिसकी capacity I don't know. But when I fill with the small bottle, this is a 1 liter bottle. When I fill the small bottle, half filled करूंगी मैं. 500 ml is the half.
Yeah, ma'am.
And that small bottles, I am putting it 5 times. So what is the capacity of the small bottle?
200.
No. 100,
200.
500 ml. क्योंकि मैं half ही fill कर रही हूँ, उसको full fill नहीं कर रही. So what is the capacity?
100.
100 ml. Same way, this G question is also there.
Ma'am, you made it tricky. Can be
Yes.
halfway put.
Yes. So you need to understand the language of the
Ma'am,
question.
I understand that language, but I was doing in fast. That's why it gone wrong.
Now
I
it is a 2
understood. It's
liter
1
water
liter.
bottle. Your question is 2 liter and you need to fill the half.
Half 1
Means
liter.
1 liter. 1 liter को fill करने के लिए वो mug जो है आप 5 times डाल रहे हो. So what is the capacity of that mug? Don't tell the
Yes.
answer. If you know
Yes.
the answer, click the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes.
knew the answer, but it clicked that answer.
Okay. Now
Excuse
yes.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Shivani.
Ma'am, in the even I did the sum, but what my answer is coming, it's not there in the option.
Maybe you have done in the wrong way.
Ma'am, in the F
Solve
one,
it again.
subtract,
Yes,
na?
Pritika.
In the F question, we have to subtract.
I will not tell what you have to do. You need to understand the language. Okay. As I was discussing with Hare. Is Hare ready now? Hare, are you ready?
Ma'am, I am doing D1.
You are doing, but as I ask you to tell me, give me one story problem based on
Ma'am, I am
multiplication.
ready.
Yes.
Give me.
Reena take 7 liter and 250 ml from shopkeeper.
Hmm.
Her, her neighbor gave him 5 liter and 750 ml.
Here also your story problem is wrong. Because आपको 1 की quantity given है. Suppose you are bringing out oil 2 liter. Suppose your digits only I will take. Suppose you brought a oil. Wait, Jignesh, can you give me based on multiplication?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, listen carefully, Hare.
Okay. A man bought from a shop. A man bought. A man bought buttermilk from shop of 250 liter, and in his family there are 5 members. How much bottles there? So he needs five bottles. 250.
No. You are dividing it. Right?
He needs
You
5
say that one person is drinking 250 liter buttermilk or the 250 milliliter you can say. क्योंकि 250 liter तो
No, ma'am.
buttermilk
A man bought 250 ml, and
Okay.
and he He wants 5 bottles of 250 ml. So 250 multiplied by 5 is equals to 1.
So how much buttermilk is there at the home?
Yes,
Yeah,
how
now.
much buttermilk it should
Hmm.
it there at home? It's 1250.
Okay, let me do this. Yeah, 1250, right. Yes, Krisha.
Ma'am, my CAT is done. And 11
Very,
or 11.
very good if your CET is done. Can you frame a one story problem on subtraction, Krisha? Asta, I request you not to take help from anyone. Do it by yourself, Asta, please. If you have any confusion, ask from
Ma'am,
me.
I do on my myself.
Yeah, you are doing from yourself, but I can see someone is there near to you. Please don't take help. If you have any confusion, ask from me. I am there with you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Krisha, are you giving me the example? Krisha,
Ma'am, I'm thinking.
think fast. Is any child ready with any of the operation? Raise your virtual hand.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dheer.
yes, ma'am. I am on addition.
Yes, please give me.
Yes, ma'am. Dev and Rahul went to buy a water and means milk packet. They they bought 2 liter 725 milliliter
Hmm.
milk packet and Rahul bought um Rahul bought 1 liter
Done, CT ma'am.
Very good.
8.5 milliliter.
You are not clearly audible to me, Dheer. Your voice is
How
breaking.
it is possible
Ma'am,
I took
now,
the correct
ma'am,
answer,
now,
but it went wrong.
Means your answer is wrong.
No, ma'am, I ticked the correct, but don't know why it went to the another option.
That is by whenever we don't click outside and we keep on clicking down, no, तो कई बार आपका click जो है वो wrong हो जाता है.
But my was correct.
My dear, after seeing the answers, sorry. You need to be very careful. खाली करना ही is not the enough. Turn on your camera and then speak to me.
ma'am, now you can hear me. Dear.
Yes, wait, Dheer. Dhwani, only doing the solution is not the enough, right? You need to be alert. You need to be careful how you are submitting because it's not the first time that you are doing in the Google form. Am I right?
But I ticked the correct.
But I am not there with you, no? How do I know that you have did the correct or not? After looking at the answers, then I have to be say sorry. Okay? Because all the answers which are here in the Google form are all correct. Yes, Dheer, please continue.
Ma'am, I can say the statement one more time that
Yeah, you were saying that one child was bought the milk or the oil, whatever.
they bought Dev and Rahul went to buy milk packet. They bought 2 liters 725 milliliter milk packet and Rahul bought 1 liter 825 milliliter
Hmm.
milk packet. So the answer is 4 liter 550 milliliter.
Excellent. Yes, Vedi. Eh, You
Yes,
give
ma'am.
me you
May
give me the
I?
question. Wait. You give me the question based on conversion, converting liter into milliliter.
Okay. 720 liter, 8, 860 milliliter is uh, convert into milliliter.
So it will be
Ma'am, I
First I do, then I tell you.
बेटा
Um,
just liter और milliliter का sign हटा दो and
Ma'am,
combine
I'm
them
ready.
together.
I'm
yes,
ready.
ma'am.
Yes, Krishav, ready?
I'm Jignesh.
Jignesh, so I have given you a chance to
Ma'am,
speak
I want
already.
to say about subtraction.
Wait, let me give chance to every other students also. Yes, Krishav,
I
are you
mean,
ready, bacha?
ma'am,
Are
the
you ready?
answer is
Hmm.
720,869 liter.
Milliliter.
Milliliter.
Because
Sorry.
you are converting liter into the milliliter, so your unit will change, no, from liter to milliliter. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Earth. Mute your mic, everyone. Earth only will turn on his mic. Earth, please speak.
Ma'am, which story we have to make?
Any
Okay, ma'am.
operation. Be little fast, bacha. Earth, be little fast so that I can give. Everyone will get the chance. Others, please
Yes,
be
ma'am.
ready with any of the word story problem, one story problem with any operation. Be ready. I can call anyone's name. Earth, prepare yourself. By the time I'll give chance to other child. Yes, Pragyan.
Yes, ma'am. I have to in subtract on divide, multiply or
Any
addition.
operation. Any. Your
Ma'am,
choice.
I am saying on multiplication.
Okay. Very good.
I bought a ball of seven. I have bought 3 ball of with 70.
We are doing liters and milliliters. Now you
Oh,
come for
sorry.
the rupees and paisa then.
Sorry, ma'am. I have, ma'am, 1 second.
Be ready. Then I have to give chance to
Ma'am,
other child. Yes, Vihan Vyas, are you ready?
now I got my multiplication.
Okay, wait. Yes, Vihan Vyas.
Point 20,
Speak
25
from the beginning
milliliter.
because you speak from the beginning.
Ma'am, it is
Speak from the beginning. Better write in the chat box because your voice is not coming clearly. Write in the chat box. Arav
yes, ma'am.
Apani, write any one story problem in the chat box. Please, students, write in the chat box so that we can discuss because sometimes your voice are not audible and students are doing the CET also. So everyone, please, if you don't skip yourself,
Ma'am, now
then
can I say? Ma'am, now.
no, write in the chat box. I'm reading. Vihan, write in the chat box.
Ma'am, can I
Are
say?
you all writing? Which child is this?
Ma'am, Earth.
Okay, speak.
Yes, ma'am. I have 12 liter 500 ml hair oil. My mother gives 16 liter 550 ml more. Now I have 29 liters 50 ml hair oil.
You were having in the starting 12 liters.
Yes, ma'am.
12 liters, 500 milliliters.
Yes, ma'am.
And your mother gave you how much?
16 liter 550 ml.
Hmm. So your answer is
29 liters 50 ml.
yes, correct. Next child, Arav Apani, will you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, if you don't have any network issue, if your network is clear, you can turn on your mic and Arav. No, Krishav, your mic
Ma'am,
is disturbing.
I brought one.
If one child is speaking already, Krishav, Arav Apani is already speaking. Wait for your turn. Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, I brought one water bottle of 265 liter and 50 ml. Then few days ago I brought again water bottle of 100 liter and 30
2 days
ml.
later.
Few days later again I brought 100 liter and 30 milliliter. Then is what? Then total of liter and ml.
What is the capacity of both the water bottles? इस तरीके से आपको बनाना है क्वेश्चन. So what is the capacity of both the bottles?
365 liter and 80 milliliter.
Very good. Yes, Pragyan, please speak.
Ma'am,
I have sent it in the chat box.
I will check, Vihan.
Ma'am, I have a bottle of juice capacity 1 liter. My sister drank 300 ml, so I have left 700 ml.
Very good. Now let me read the Vihan what he has written in the chat box. My mother bought 5 liter 275 milliliter brink from a shop, but we need 10 liter 75 to make kheer. How much more milk we need to make kheer? Yes, very good. This is the good problem, but write the answer also along with the story problems. A man drank 3 liter 10 ml milk in a day. How much the man drank in 4 days? Very good.
Ma'am, can I say answer?
Jignesh has written, Rahul bought 880. Asta, wait, I'll give you a chance. 880 milk of butter, milliliter of buttermilk. There are 8 members in the family, including him. So how much buttermilk a family member will get? This is a division. Yes, very good. You have tried the division also. Yes, Asta, please speak.
Yes, ma'am. In a jug have liter 500 ml
Will you try
mango
from the
pulp.
beginning again? Because there was, yeah, please try from the beginning
Okay.
again.
In a jug have 16 liter 500 ml mango pulp. I have 6 jug, so I have total 99 liter mango pulp.
Wait, let me find out the answer. 99 liter. Very good. Excellent. Your question framing was also nice. Any other child? Yes, Krisha, please speak.
Ma'am, Riva bought
Krisha, you
1
facing
liter.
network issue. Your voice is breaking. Write it in the chat box. Yes, Krisha, your voice is breaking. Write it in the chat box. Any other child? Dhwani? Dhwani, please speak. Dhwani, this is not optional that you turn off your camera and sit. This is not optional. This is for everyone compulsory. Fast. Where are you? Please turn on your camera. Yes. Speak.
Yeah. Can I make story problem on addition?
Please make.
Yeah, ma'am.
I will send you
One boy.
activity.
Okay.
She left the class. Yes, Moksh Patel. Moksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Please give me answer.
What, ma'am?
Please give me answer. Make the word problem. Moksh Patel, make story problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Fast. Let me check who all have submitted their CT. Jignesh, Rishabh,
Ma'am, now can I tell?
Harsh Keshwani, wait a minute, Pragyan, Dheer, Dhwani, Mohammed Momin, Laksh Dola, Araf, Arth Gujarati, Viha, Astha, Moin, Tuledi, Moksh Patel, Hare, Shivani, Pritika. These students have submitted their CET.
I have also submitted.
Yes. There are still 2-3 students who need to submit me. Please submit fast.
Ma'am, can I write in chat? Now can I tell?
Yes, please, Krisha, tell.
Friday we will start new chapter.
Ma'am, can
Yeah, in
you
the
hear
next.
me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear you, but wait a minute. Mute
can I
yourself.
write in-
Yes. Yeah, write in the chat box, Dhwani. Children, in the next coming class, we are going to start the new chapter, Carts and Wheels, chapter number 8. With the name, it's clear. Carts and wheels are in which shape? Circular shape, right? So bring some objects which you see in your surroundings are in the circular shape. Bring it in the class, and you have to bring this also in the live class in the next coming class. Whichever is your next class, bring this. This is called what?
Excuse me, ma'am.
To make circle.
What is the name of this?
Rounder.
Or we call it compass also. We call it
Okay.
compass also. Bring it in the next
Ma'am,
live class. Yes.
can you send me recording?
Why?
I'm going outside.
Sorry. Today we have not done anything. We have done CET. So no need to send the recording picture. And we stay in the class.
No,
Then
of Fridays.
you send me the mail and write the date which day you are not there.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, now can I say the?
Yeah, yes, Krishav. Please be quiet, everyone. Krishav, speak.
Ma'am, my sister bought 1 liter of water and she drank 250 ml water. Uh, and the total water she drank is 250 ml, and the answer is 750 ml is the we have
How much is left with her after drinking?
750 ml.
Yeah. Okay. Viha, please speak. Viha.
Ma'am, my word problem is of plus.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Reena bought 1 bottle of eye drops. It was of 2 liter and 50 ml. Reena bought 1 more bottle of eye drops. It was also of the same amount, 2 liter and 50 ml. How much capacity of eye drops does Reena have altogether? Reena has. Now I forgot to calculate.
But the way you have expressed your story problem is excellent. This way I need that you children explain me your story problem. Very good, Viha. Calculate the answer and tell me. Okay? Yes, Vedi.
confused in this.
Which child two are speaking together? Vedi and then Pritika. Yes, Vedi.
I will tell of multiplication.
Yes,
One
please.
person is donating 77 liter, 355 milliliter.
My light is gone.
77 people are donating the milk. How much of milk will be there in total?
How many are donating?
One person is donating 27. One person is
Okay.
donating the milk is 77.30 355 milliliter. More
355
people
or
do-
350?
355.
Okay.
More people donating the milk are 27 multiply. So 7 5s are
Multiply, give me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 2000 liter, 2088 liter, 585 milliliter.
Good. And I request not to take the help from anyone at your home. You have to give
Yes,
me your
ma'am, I
answers.
have done this in my notebook.
Very good, excellent way you have expressed also. But I request not take help. You, whenever you have a difficulty, ask from me. Okay?
I can tell now.
Yes, Mohammed, yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. In my room, there is light gone, so I
I
leave
have
it.
checked that you left.
Yes, ma'am. So what you are doing?
We are discussing and sharing the word problems.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
Kritika.
I can say
Yes, please.
it is on addition.
Yeah, last Kritika will speak and I will give chance to the students in my next coming classes. So be prepared. Don't think the chapter is over, the chance has gone. No. Okay? Yes.
I bought a oil bottle. It is 2 liter of 2 liter. After 1 week, again I bought a coconut oil bottle. It is 1 liter and 800 ml. Then the total is 3 liter and 800 ml.
Yeah, good. But next time I'm expecting to make word problem based on subtraction also, based on multiplication also. Dhwani has written, I will check Dhwani later on because I need the chat box after the class also. Yes, Viha.
Okay.
I got the answer.
Yeah, what was your answer?
It was 5 liters and 00 milliliters.
I think it was 4 liters and 100 milliliters because you said no 2 liter 50 milliliter and the next also you said 2 liter 50 milliliter 50
Yes.
or 500 50 milliliter, right? So your
Yes.
answer will be 4 liter 100 milliliter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you students for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you.